What's this windlass called? It's not a Muir.
It's a Muir.
Muir.
Muir. A Muir. So that was pronounced.
We pronounced it wrong.
Yeah, we've had a lot of comments on the latest video that went out Sunday evening for the UK, not just Sunday evening, about our installation of this what is it, windlass. There's quite a few things on it. The main one was the backing plate was too small, and I thought we did a good job.
I thought so too.
Installing it. I thought, oh, everyone's going to be proud of us with this one. So I think we've done a really good job of doing it, picking the right materials and everything.
Well, you've got to put it in perspective though. We've had 10,000 views on it, and we've got like 150 comments, and I suppose about 100 comments are quite negative, saying we've done everything wrong, it's the worst install we've done, and just generally moaning. Some comments I've had to delete because there's effing and blinding in there, people getting really wound up because the backing plate is not big enough, which, if you were saying it out loud like that, seems a bit over the top.
Okay, a couple of things I want to address. The wiring we have changed, you'll see in next week's episode.
It was too thin.
It was too thin. We've changed it for good wire. You'll see.
£200 it costs.
Yeah,
so.
we've spent some money on that, done the job properly.
Yeah.
With the backing plates, yes, it is quite small. Yes, we could maybe we should have put a bigger.
We probably will put a bigger one on.
Plate on there, because there's space under there for bigger plates.
There is.
But I just want to. This is only my opinion that. With the windlass, there's never any vertical pull on it. It's never going to be pulled out of the deck. I've never heard of anyone pulling their windlass clean out of the deck. The only bit of pull there's going to be, I believe, is a horizontal pull on the windlass. I think a windlass is just a lazy way of paying out and retrieving chain. There's no actual pull that goes on through here. It's just an electric motor that helps bring the chain in and out. When we're anchoring and we lay chain out, there's no stress on it, and when we're on anchor we use the snubber, the bridle system, so there's never any pull on the gypsy, on the motor. And when we retrieve the chain, again there's no pull on it, because Luke is driving forward over the chain and I'm pulling the chain up vertically. I can pull it up by hand because there's no pressure on there, so I don't think there's going to be any problems with a windlass just pulling out of the deck, personally.
And our old windlass, people said, oh, you could have reused your old windlass. There's a lot of complaints. But the old windlass was 700 watt, wasn't really big enough for this boat, which is 5.5 ton empty, which probably weighs about 7 ton fully loaded. 700 watt windlass, not big enough. So we wanted like a 1200 watt windlass to handle the power of bringing the chain up, so we can anchor in deeper water, because when we were anchoring in like 15 meters of water with the 700 watt just couldn't do it. We were reading all the comments downstairs and getting really negative and down about it, basically, and we just thought maybe we should pull the video. But then if we did pull the video and started regulating ourselves what we put on YouTube, then the channel wouldn't be true to ourselves again. When we first started the channel, we didn't start it for other people, we started it for ourselves, and we said to ourselves, everything that happens on the boat, we've got to put it on there no matter what. We've got to stay true to ourselves. And that's what we still believe. We still believe that we've got to stay true. We're not in it for the money making, we're just in it for the sailing. We're nearly at the top of Australia. It's a bit of a spoiler.
So close now.
So close.
So close to leaving. Visas have done. Yeah, that close to leaving for Indonesia.
Thank you for all the amazing support, everyone. I really appreciate all your comments, likes and shares and whatever.
Whatever.
Yeah, you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Whatever thing. I'm not gonna say it because people hear it all the time. It looks like there's a squall there, and there's that boat we're catching him, haven't we?
Yeah,
yes, yeah. I can't believe it. Okay.
See you.
Bye.